Keith from Friendswood has a question about his roof.
Well, it's on his mom's 100-year-old house in Central Texas, actually. Keith writes, her metal roof has experienced a small leak, and I'm looking for the best repair and materials to seal the entire roof. I noticed there were some small lifts up on some of the nail screws here, and he sent this picture.
Yo, okay.
Yeah, the small.
I know exactly what's going on there.
Small. Okay, well, there you go. So do I lift these nails out, put new ones in, and use Henry Wet Patch on those spots? Or then would I was planning, he says, to put a white roof coating across the rest of the roof. It was previously coated with a silver one, as you could see, but it isn't sealing all that well.
It's a 100-year-old home.
Yes, it is.
Probably the original roof. And I'm looking at that. That metal has seen its better days. There's no doubt about it. Quite frankly, she needs a new roof. I'm sorry, you just need a new roof. You want to try to patch it here and there, as you can do it, it's fine. To put a new coating on there, one of the things that happens with a coating is if the seams move, the coating cracks. So coating is okay for some things, but usually not much. And it's usually a temporary fix like it was before. They've already done it once. So I really would think that if you're real serious about fixing it, you need to start thinking about a new roof. And if you can temporarily patch that stuff, more power to you. In fact, if it's not coming off and you have holes like that, you can get a product called NP1. That's Nancy Paul 1. It comes in a big caulk tube, and you can go up there and just caulk all those holes with that. And that's going to be a better fix than the other things. And to put a coating on there, I think, is a total waste of time.
Oh, you could go, what are those membranes that Jim puts on metal roofs?
But that's a look at it, it's got corrugation.
It's not
going to work. That is needing a new roof. You can see it's just coming through. It's a mess, and you can't keep nursing a 100-year-old roof. Whoever bought it probably for $18 100 years ago, which was more like 5 years' salary.
There you go.
And they got their money's worth.
All right, you got a question? We'll help you get your money's worth. Go ahead and send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Use the Ask Tom button. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell,
Ding.
and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.